PBM stock analysis and PBM stock prediction. Easy to buy right now. Watch this 1-minute video till the end. Find out. Psyence, Biomedical stock, whatever. Psyence, bro, I don't know how to pronounce. I'm butchering the name out, but it is for 15% up. And looking at it, this is the previous idea. And can you guess what was it? You know, PBM short. What happened? We kept going lower. This was something made in July, like late July, and
I'm gonna boost methods even take lower, but this is
I mean, it was always kind of here, so since then we just kind of kept going lower. Removing all the drawings, the likelihood of this continuing to make new lows is just through the roof, and I'm only really gonna consider something like a bullish trend the moment we start breaking multiple times above 15 cents, and we're not there yet. So even if we reach the zone, I'll be open for a short type opportunity, meaning if there is a confirmation met, I'm shorting. So I'll keep you updated. If you want to make more money by taking less trades, click the first link in the description. Goodbye.